certified Chromebook champions. If your school browser feels like it's running on hamster power, don't worry, I've got your back with 5 of the best Rammerhead browser links for 2025 that work like a charm even on those lowly school-issued laptops. These links are safe, smooth, and more reliable than the pencil you've been chewing on during class. Whether you're diving into educational exploration or just need a peaceful digital escape between lessons, these Rammerhead links load fast, run clean, and keep you browsing like a pro. No extensions, no stress. So go ahead, tap that like button like it's the spacebar on test day. Hit subscribe for more Chromebook survival tools. And check the description below for all 5 browser links. And hey, if your Chromebook suddenly runs faster than your school bell rings, don't question it. Just smile and pretend you upgraded it with your mind.